Hi guys, welcome to CodeMine. Carrie here. So we have started our series that is C programming, and we have started the new topic that is compiler versus interpreter here. So I would like to request the guys who are currently new on this channel, please subscribe our channel by hitting the red button below this video, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that the notification of upcoming videos come to you guys directly. So let's start with the next topic, that is compiler versus interpreter. What is that? So first of all, let me tell you, to execute any program, right, in any language, we need a, you can say, a system or a special programs or a special software who can read that code, understand that code, right, and it is able to execute that code, right. In simple terms, we all know that our computer only understands zero or ones, right. It doesn't mean that okay, this is void main and curly braces. This is nothing for our computer. Our computer is a electronic device and it only understand okay, power is on, power is off, power on is 1, power off is 0. So it only understand 1 or 0. And the what is the job of compiler and interpreter? So compiler and interpreter is designed for a specific language to which have all the syntax, all the libraries in that compiler, who knows that okay, this is the meaning of that code, and it translate that code into which is understandable to the machine. So that is the job of compiler and interpreter. And because we have now lots of new languages which are using interpreter, some languages using compiler, so it is very important to understand okay, what is the difference between compiler and interpreter. At the end, the job of both are very similar, right. The both job is to understand the code, translate the code so that a machine can understand. So let's start with the difference. So first of all, we have a compiler. So what is the job of compiler? Basically, compiler scan the whole program in one go and translate that into a machine code, right. It will pick up all the code, it will check all the errors into that. If there is error, it will give you a prompt message, okay, here at line number this we have some problems, right. So we can check before running our program. So that is the job of compiler. But in the case of interpreter, it only pick up single line, right. If you have a 10 line of code and you have start running, it will not check anything at compile level, compile time. It will start executing your program. It will read one line, give the output, second line, give the output, third line, fourth line, fifth line. So line by line, actually it execute the program. So that is the job of an interpreter, right. It's a single by single line, it execute the program. And if the next point we are talking about, that is it take much time to analyze the code, so it is slow in speed. Yes, the compiler is, as compared to interpreter, it is slow in speed. So because it need to take whole program in one go, right. And first of all, it has to read all the code and then need to check okay, is there any error in that, then we are able to run the code. So compiler is usually slow than the interpreter. Then next, in the other hand side, the interpreter, like it start executing the code instantly, like it will read first line and give the output, second line and third, and so on. So interpreter is very fast as compared to compiler. But it doesn't mean that interpreter is a better or compiler is better. Both have their own features and both are beneficial, right. So we are only here trying to know that what is the difference actually. So the next point is it generate a object code to execute a code, right. So it take much memory unit. So but what happened here in the case of compiler, it actually create a object code where we need a linking kind of thing. So it actually consume a much memory, right, because it has to store some kind of object code somewhere. But there is a no object code in term of interpreter, right. So it is very memory efficient. It do not consume any extra memory. And the next point is the compiler doesn't check runtime error in the code. Why? Because we first compile the code, right, and it will generate a machine code, right, or object code. So what will happen, it will check all the errors at a compile time. If anything happen at the runtime, the compiler cannot check that, right? It only check the error at compile time. But in term of interpreter, it only check the error at runtime, right? It will start running the program and line by line it will check all the program, and sorry, line by line it will check the single line. So if there is a error at runtime, it will check that and stop the program or give you the warning kind of things. The languages like C, C++, Java using compilers, right? So these are old languages, you can say, and these are using compiler. We need to first compile the code, then we are able to execute the code, right? And in the term of interpreter, the languages like PHP, Python, JavaScript, these are using interpreter, right? We are able to check error runtime there, right? And if I talk about diagram of working flow of compiler and interpreter, so we have here the diagram, right? So what is the working of compiler? The first of all, the source code, and then compiler work on that and generate a machine code, and then it gives the output, right? The machine code is understandable by the uh, machine, and it gives us the output. And if I talk about this how interpreter work, so this is a source code, right? And the interpreter only the thing which handle each and everything and give us the output. But here is some kind of benefit compiler have, that once the machine code is generated, we do not need to compile again and again that program. Once we have a machine code, we can execute that. So that is the major benefit of compiler. Once we have the code is compiled, then execution is very fast in term of compiler. But in case of interpreter, we have to check the error on every execution, right? We cannot skip that thing. So in that case, the interpreter is slow. So there are different benefit of compiler and interpreter. It depend that which things is important, which language you are use, it depend upon your project. So you cannot say that compiler is best or interpreter is best. Both are good according to their uh, features. So that is that in this topic, compiler versus interpreter. If you guys have any query, any question related to this topic, or you want any specific topic into this series, just comment down. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and share this series with your friends, family, so that they can also gain their knowledge. And I hope you guys will like this series, and also share our channel with your friends. And please do subscribe our channel. We have a very hard working team who is creating this series. And thanks for watching. Have a very good day.